Is Tuesday, February 18th, about 10 o'clock in the morning. Bender Road has not been plowed yet. It snowed all day Monday. We have anywhere from 20 to 24, 26 inches of snow. I guess they forgot about us. Wayne was out here earlier, snow blowing the street. Jeff needed to get out. Jeff and Jamie were shoveling a little bit into the street. Here he comes, the Red Baron. He had goggles on yesterday. From 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock, he was snow blowing. We have Bill's yard to do because they're in Wyoming skiing. Mark and Louise drove to Florida. Ken down the street's been kind of taking care of them. Pop and Grammy behind us are in Florida. So Wayne and Dustin were out from 8 to 6 yesterday. Wayne came home for dinner for an hour and went back out from 7 to 9. And we were hoping in the middle of the night to be plowed so we can finish digging out, but that didn't happen. It's beautiful. I think I said anywhere from 20 to 24 or so inches. It's kind of hard to tell because there's a lot of drifts. It was windy yesterday. And you can see Jeff did make it out. He got stuck and then Wayne pushed him and made it out. So I think a formal complaint may have to be made with the town. A little ridiculous, since all the other roads around us have had quite a few passes. But like I said, it is beautiful. It's not a life or death situation here for us. And I guess I'm going to help shovel again. We were smart enough to park in Bill's driveway the other night so we could keep ours open. We probably have more snow here than they're seeing in Wyoming. Thank goodness for the snowblower. It has been worth its weight in gold. And believe it or not, I do have to show you. Jeff and Jamie shoveled their whole driveway yesterday. Almost tripped over a rock. Or most of their driveway. They still do have a car, enough to get out. Now, this is a big driveway, a lot of carrying of snow.
I'm going to do that with the snow machine.
Oh, you're taking all his fun away from No, here we are. The plow finally came. We had 3 trucks at the bottom of the street, and only one was doing something. I'm walking over the snow in the street. That's Wayne snowblowed it all in the street. I'm going to show you. There's a wall of snow. They need to dig out yet. Mark and Louise and Pat and Jeff at the top of the street. Wayne snowblowed them, but there's a lot of snow. Wayne finally got the trucks out of Bill's driveway. Come on, Kev, go climb the tree. Kevin was up on top of the snow before. Let me get him to do it again. It's pretty funny. Here I am at Mark and Louise's. We're hoping a bucket loader is going to come and get some of the snow away or push it a little bit more. I was talking to Pat before, and Kevin was like walking on top of the snow. It was the funniest thing, climbing the tree. Is that too cute or what? Hey, Kev! I'm over here, hon. Give me a little wave. Kev! On snow. I measured 24 inches in our front yard. Uh-oh. Buried alive. So, that's what I'm saying Waldwick, New Jersey had, was 24 inches. A bush. You're on top of the bushes. So, hon, how much is this costing us in a minute?
I don't know. Probably $1 million.
$1 million a minute?
$1 million a minute would be a good price. I think I can live with that. So let's go on vacation.
I want to go to Florida.
Lots of millions. I'm doing this for 12 hours yesterday nonstop. And I think I started about 8 o'clock this morning. It's now noon. So we've been moving some snow, to say the least.
Major league. You're as high as the basketball court. You should go get a saucer. Do you have any handy?
Yeah, I'm gonna get one. They should do another.
Thank goodness for the snowblower. Well, when he bought it, they said that it was good for this kind of snow they get in Canada. Little did we know we were going to get 20-something inches of snow. Especially after the plow comes. That's the hardest part, to shovel. It sure is pretty. All right. Cool. Here comes Jamie. You got to move out of the way.